iOS 18.6 has just been released. Watch this first. Here's everything you need to know. Keyboard lag has been a problem for many people since downloading iOS 18, and it appears to be fixed with this new update. iOS 18.6 was supposed to be releasing Apple Intelligence to China, but that seems delayed indefinitely due to US-China trade relations. For the rest of the world, no update to Apple Intelligence. Shocker. Overall performance for iOS 18.6 appears to be stellar. No issues. Of course, they've had 18.1 through 5 to work things out. So as far as performance, I think iOS 18.6 is solid, which of course reflects the battery life. That seems to be doing great as well with this update. There's also security patches and bug fixes that Apple has not mentioned specifically or released yet, but overall, I think it's a solid update. Let me know in the comments below, have you updated to iOS 18.6? And if so, have you had any issues?